Farmers in Odisha are facing increased distress as unseasonal rains have already affected their hopes of a bumper harvest. Adding to the woes, IMD has predicted more rainfall over the coming weekend, particularly in the northern and northwestern districts. Weather expert Uma Shankar Das attributes the forecast to a western disturbance, which is likely to bring precipitation on Saturday as well as Sunday. This forecast is a further blow to farmers, already struggling from the impact of recent unseasonal low pressure over the Bay of Bengal. Farmers are advised to take precautions using both traditional and modern methods to protect their crops from potential damage. In response to the adverse situation, the state government has announced compensation for farmers suffering heavy losses. Revenue Minister Suresh Pujari assured that the Odisha government remains committed to supporting farmers affected by the unseasonal weather.
मोर परामर्श जो माने अछंती बीमा कंपनी माने संवेदनशील होंतु एवं फसल बीमा आईन रो सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण देखंतु चासी मानकर सहित एभलिया परिस्थिति रे सहायता करिया पे उद्यम करंतु आ सरकार जदि एथिरे इंश्योरेंस कंपनी माने ये परिस्थिति रे आईन बाटरे न जीवे तांको आईन बाटरे आनिबा पई हमर पाखरे मध्य आईन अछि जेहेतु प्राकृतिक विपर्यय को हमें एड़ी पारिबु नाही प्राकृतिक विपर्यय को सामना करिया पे पड़िबो सरकार संवेदनशीलतार सहित ये बाबद रे अध्ययन करूछंती इंश्योरेंस कंपनी मानकर टालटुल नीति मध्य अतीत रे हमें देखिथिलु एथर किंतु तांको तागिद करा हिची